Soap smell good.
Alright, we are the cook.
The IT and Fancy Cat Show.
Yes, this is Fancy Cat with the downtown Kingston in the R-type. The big question for everybody's mind is bleaching. Some are bleach and it a reach. Some are bleach and them look like potato. So you have to ask some of the bleach and them why them are bleach. Just a minute, can I say something? Why you bleach? See me,
because of the in thing, everybody I do it. I'm not using a whole heap of hot chemical more than I use nothing more than soap.
And tell them why you bleach.
I don't bleach, you don't see that I have a natural skin tone.
Yeah, I will believe that. Auntie, come here, Auntie. Tell them why you bleach.
Stand up.
We're going to see how fast she can run. Tell them why you bleach. Tell them why you bleach. Why you bleach? You not bleach?
Before that even close, you not bleach.
Say that. Yes. Come talk to me, no man. Come talk. You can't. Stop running up and down in a town. See, they talk to the camera. Tell them why. Why you bleach?
You not bleach.
No, she doesn't rubber. Why you? What you do?
Right.
What you do forget the color?
Right.
What you do forget the color?
No color.
Yeah, I will believe that. Tell them why you bleach.
You look nice.
You hear that? For look. For look.
Nice.
So you'd uglier than this before?
No.
You just double up the niceness.
Yeah.
You see, I don't know why you say follow me.
The bleaching bring up your you know, make you look good and ready. So who want bleach, left it to them. Yeah.
So some people are bleach and they look like when lizard are strip.
Well, up to them no cater, them no business, but them good. Them feel like, oh.
I avoid the eye, because I'm eye blind. And the ears.
Yes.
Yes,
You can't leave out no spot.
no spots, everything in one. Yeah, not look like me.
Tell them why you bleach.
Me don't bleach.
Tell them why you tone down.
I don't tone. Just have my own color. Over next door. Hey, over next door. Over next door. Next door. Come down. I saw it
We was over the other side of the store, but them said this is where they put the people in with bleach. So actually, come here, don't leave in a, don't run in a, don't run.
I don't bleach. I tone down.
The new name, tell them what you do.
I tone down.
Get rid of the dark black. This is what you call the fade in. So why you tone?
Have a better complexion.
Okay, so better now you're still at work at it. Tell them why you bleach.
Get brown.
So, but you look like you're brown already. Talk to them.
To get brown.
To get browner.
Yeah.
So your man don't like you with a simple brown, he want you browner.
No, I'm like myself not naturally, but I just want bleach.
Yeah.
Bleach, me just copper.
How much you pay for all of this?
The bleach,
Yeah.
$250 for the cream and $100 for the nothing water.
So how much time a week you buy that?
Three, one time.
So I want to tone down and look like
Right
you.
now?
Yeah.
You can't use only the nothing water. Buy a clear.
Buy a clear. Buy your clear.
Yeah.
Buy your clear. So if you look like me, you buy your clear and end up like.
Me.
So where you learn? Some people like it, some people don't like it. Some say no bleach them bleach, I tone them tone. But it's all about how you want to deal with it. If you like it, you do as you like. If it fits you, what we are going to do, kill ourselves, for them like. Fancy cat on the street, downtown Kingston, I say, do as you like, act as you like, behave as you like.
Say that bubble me, ya bubble now. Bubble me, ya bubble. soap smell good.
You think me smell good? Me go taste even better.
Stir it up.
Oh, I tell you know of a stir man.
Sample some of that soap, you know.
Watch how me a bubble.
Soap ready. Soap.
I take
Yo. How that?
one. We are the cook.
No,
I take.
Yeah, we are the cook. No, cut. No forward, cat.
I take.
No forward, cat. No, I cut, you know.
Oh, just what's the next one? I trying to run mag and come.
Yeah, man, I'm up on the road, man.
Check
They
it,
have
you know.
a for real.
So in there.
No, I'm up on the road. Eh? Cat, lock this for me, cat.
Yeah.
Lock it for me, cat, lock it.
The boy in there cooking, I can take man for food. Take man for food. Man in there cooking. Boy in there cook. I smell it from outside. That's a smell it from yeah. Where am the food? Most fine man. Yes. Grace cock soup. Brother cook grace cock soup. Better boom man.
Yeah. Cat.
Yeah. Bathroom I'm gonna use, huh?
Oh.
Bathroom.
Alright.
Go up on the road there.
Yeah, leave.
Yeah.
Alright.
Later.
Yeah, man. Me link you.
Yeah.
Yeah! Boss! Yeah!
Alright, thanks for watching. This is IT.
And that's the John Fancy Cat.
You want to see more? Where you go?
No, do that because I realize I'm going to watch the video. But not so much comment.
Yes.
So no need for comment.
Yes.
And share some more.
And subscribe. Tell a friend to subscribe.
Yeah. You see
Alright.
me?
Thanks for watching IT.
Fancy Cat.